all are doing fine. We are very grateful to have you all as a part of quiz. And as you all enjoyed the quiz, we see from the responses on the WhatsApp group, and all the responses were satisfactory also. So as we all are here to announce the results of the quiz, I heartwarmingly welcome Dr. Sumer Sethi, CEO at DAMS, to announce the results. I will introduce him to you all first. Dr. Sumer Sethi. He holds an MD degree in radio diagnosis from University of Delhi. He finished his MBBS from MEMC in New Delhi. He completed his MD radio diagnosis from Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi in 2003. He is also a gold medalist and received many prizes. And we are very excited and happy that Dr. Sethi is going to announce the Stetho Sensation results. So I would request you, sir, to announce the results and carry the meeting further on.
Thank you, Bache. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you on hosting an amazing quiz. And I think on the eMedicos app, we could see great response by the students. And today also we see students are very excited to know the results. So before I show the results to all of you, I just wanted to make sure that I show one slide to all of you together. And that slide is, there are no winners or losers, there are only learners. So it is very important to understand when you are participating. जब भी आप बच्चे कोई भी क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे होते हैं या कोई भी चीज में आप खेल में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं या कोई भी एग्जाम दे रहे होते हैं, तो कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार मुझे तो जीतना चाहिए, और अगर मैं नहीं जीता तो मजा नहीं आएगा। और मैं हमेशा देखता हूँ जब भी मैं कोई क्विज के होस्ट करता हूँ तो उसके बाद में जैसे ही रिजल्ट बताता हूँ तो कई बच्चे मीटिंग ही छोड़ देते हैं, वो कहते हैं बस हो गया या एग्जाम में रिजल्ट। तो मुझे लगता है कि वो इस बात को भूल रहे हैं कि डेस्टिनेशन से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट जर्नी है और जीतने या हारने से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट खेलना है। आप सब ने इस क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट किया, आप आज यहाँ आए, आप रिजल्ट का वेट कर रहे हैं, आप ऑलरेडी जीत चुके हैं क्योंकि आपने जो इससे सीखना था आप वहां पे आ चुके हैं। मतलब हमेशा एक मतलब ये अगर हम माइंडसेट चेंज कर लें तो हम हमेशा जीतेंगे। मैं यहाँ एक हल्का सा आप लोगों के लिए एक स्लाइड दिखाना चाहता हूँ, एक सेकंड लूंगा बस आपका, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि एक बार मैंने रिजल्ट बताया फिर तो आप भागने की करेंगे। तो मैं जल्दी से आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, वो ये है, देखो जब भी आप ना एमबीबीएस के अंदर आए, यदि आपको याद हो बेटा, जब आप पीएमटी का एग्जाम दे के आए तो आपको ना कई लोगों ने ये बोला, आप मेरी स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हैं?
यस सर।
तो आपको कई लोगों ने बोला बस एक बार पढ़ना है, एक बार पढ़ ले पीएमटी का एग्जाम, उसके बाद जिंदगी सफल है, इसके आगे कुछ नहीं करना है। याद है वो दिन? डू यू रिमेम्बर दोस डेज? है ना? एंड देन वी रियलाइज्ड कि अब आप आगे आए एंड देन यू रियलाइज्ड कि फर्स्ट प्रॉफ भी होगा, सेकंड प्रॉफ भी होगा, और अब तो कह रहे हैं कि एग्जिट एग्जाम भी लेंगे। एंड यू नो आई एम श्योर यू नो दिस बाय नाउ। सो मुझे ये लगता है कि एक ऐसी बात है जो हम सब आपसे शेयर भी करना चाहते हैं, वो ये है कि अब हम माइंडसेट को चेंज करेंगे। अब वो पीएमटी वाला माइंडसेट नहीं लेके चलेंगे कि एक बार पढ़ना है फिर कभी नहीं पढ़ना, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, वो सब गलत है। सच ये है कि एमबीबीएस में हमेशा लाइफ लॉन्ग पढ़ना पड़ेगा। क्यों बताओ? क्योंकि मेडिकल साइंस कॉन्स्टेंटली इवॉल्व करती रहेगी, मेडिकल साइंस में तो नई चीजें आती रहेंगी। भाई आप एक बात बताओ मुझे बच्चे कि आपके जो आज भाई जिसने 1980 में एमबीबीएस किया होगा आदमी ने, 1990 में एमबीबीएस किया होगा, तो उसको कोविड इन्फेक्शन कैसे ट्रीट करनी है ये पता ही नहीं था, क्योंकि वो बीमारी नहीं थी। यानी नई चीजें आएंगी, नई चीजें सीखनी पड़ेंगी। यानी अगर मैं मेरा माइंडसेट बदल लूं, मैं मेरे माइंडसेट को ये हारने जीतने के माइंडसेट से एक बार पढ़ना उसके बाद जिंदगी सफल है, एक बार काम करना है, ये कोई खजाना थोड़ी खोद रहे हैं कि इसके बाद से जिंदगी सफल हो जाएगी। और सच बात यह है कि अगर खजाना मिल भी जाए जिंदगी में तो भी जिंदगी सफल नहीं होगी, क्योंकि बार बार ही करना पड़ेगा काम जिंदगी में। तो कांस्टेंट लर्नर आपने बनना है। कांस्टेंट लर्नर अगर आप बन गए तो आप बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा कर पाएंगे। अब मैं चाहता हूं एक बार आप आंख बंद करके ये सोचो कि मैं सीख रहा हूं, ठीक है? अब फिर आपको इस क्विज के रिजल्ट से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर आपको अफेक्ट होगा कि यार मैं तो हार गया, ये तो जीत गया, और ये सब लगेगा। लेकिन अगर आपने ये सोचा कि यार नहीं मैं तो सीख रहा हूं, तो फिर आपको बहुत मजा आएगा, क्योंकि आप हारने जीतने का मतलब ही नहीं, मैं तो नई चीज सीख गया, मैं आया क्विज में, मैंने इतने सारे लोगों से मिला, इतने सारे नए बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट किया, हमने कुछ गलतियां की, कुछ सीखा, है ना? नाउ without now wasting the time, I'll repeat everything in English also, don't worry. Now first I'll do is I'll quickly show you the winner. Okay, so all set for the winners?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see. So we have the winners in front of us now. The person who has come first in this quiz, and if he is around, I would also want him to put on his camera and meet us all. He's Sai Krishna Valam Chetla from AIMS Bhopal, rank 1. So if he's around, I would want him to switch on his camera so that we can all honor him together. So are you there, the winner of the quiz, Sai Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Hi, beta. How are you? Congratulations.
Fine, sir.
How are you feeling after winning the quiz?
I'm feeling very excited and happy to win this.
Great. And were you happy even while attempting the quiz?
I love to quiz, sir. Always I used to participate in many quizzes. So it will improve my fast reading skills of the questions and answering the things very quickly.
Absolutely. And I totally agree that, I have always seen the people who win in the quiz are people who are usually enjoying the process. And that is not only true for quiz, that is true for life also. If you are enjoying the process, you will always win. So we will ask now Sai Krishna to give a message to all other audience today. Anything he wants to say. जो भी whatever जो दिल में आपने बोलने का है.
MBBS is very difficult. I used to study a lot, and initially during the first year, I didn't get proper marks. Means starting. Then I changed my strategy to doing lots of MCQs. Means I think reading much is not useful, but if you do the MCQs and come back to the concepts, and it will be more useful to everyone. And while reading the questions also, I think in this quiz, the question pattern is long, and most of the answers, I think we need to read the last 2 lines and come back to the question. It will be fast. Otherwise, it would take a lot of time to do that case-based learning questions. That's all. Thank you.
Great, and I'm happy that you observed this, that in this quiz we had kept the questions of the new pattern, which were more clinical vignette in style, where he has given you the clue. The clue is time management. The most important thing is read the last line, otherwise you will struggle in time, and if you struggle in time, you will not win in the quiz. So without taking more time, let us come to the person who has come second in this quiz. So second is Hemant from Maulana Azad Medical College, my alma mater, from rank 2. Hemant, can you put on your camera? And I'll also request the student who has come third in this quiz from Madurai Medical College, Tessie Vandan. She is rank 3 in this quiz. So I want all of you to put on your cameras and introduce yourself to all of us. So Hemant, क्या हाल है?
Good evening, sir.
कैसा?
Good evening, sir.
कैसा लग रहा है बच्चे?
सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वैसे मैंने कोई उम्मीद नहीं की थी ऐसी कि रैंक 2 या टॉप 10 में भी कुछ होगा. बिकॉज सर मैंने पहली बार ही किसी क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट किया था इस बार, और मतलब जैसा आपने बताया ना कि काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला. मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, बहुत सारी गलतियां की जो कि मुझे पता चला कि मुझे फाइनल एग्जाम में नहीं करनी. और सर द बेस्ट थिंग इज द क्वेश्चन पेपर वाज वेरी मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा था, एंड टोटली क्लिनिकल ओरिएंटेड. एंड सर द पैटर्न इज नाउ चेंजिंग फ्रॉम मतलब टिपिकल एमसीक्यू पैटर्न जो होता था कि सिंगल आंसर है उसका, और अब एकदम डिफरेंट आ रहा है क्वेश्चन पेपर पैटर्न, जिसमें काफी ज्यादा थ्योरी पढ़ने के बाद में ही क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ता है. तो इससे पता चला कि मुझे टाइम मैनेजमेंट में भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, क्योंकि लास्ट में मेरे 2-3 क्वेश्चन छूटे भी. तो सर आई हैव टू इम्प्रूव दैट आल्सो. एंड सर द थिंग आई वांट टू मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ देम इज, मतलब आपने सर खुद ने बता दिया है कि कोई भी विनर या लूजर नहीं होता. वी हैव टू लर्न कंटिन्यूअसली. द सेम मैसेज I want to provide to all of them.
मैं ना तेरी जर्नी से ना मैं एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि हेमंत, अब सोचते हैं एक बार, अगर आप हो सकता है ये क्विज आप पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं करते, और हो सकता है आप you would have thought यार I have never given a quiz, I am not a quizzer, I don't know about this, and you may not have participated. But if you had not participated, you would never know what you can become and what you could achieve. And now what you have achieved, now what will happen is next time any quiz is happening, you will be the first one to fill up the form. No, I want to participate, because you have now tasted victory. And that is the beauty of competing. Because I see many students, they keep thinking, sir, why should I participate in a quiz? Why should I give any test? And you will see the same mindset when you will see students who are in internship. They will be saying, I am not giving grand test because I'm not prepared. I am not appearing for AIMS exam because I'm not prepared. And in the end, they will never know what they could have achieved if they started participating, if they started competing. So it is very important to compete. I think that is the most important thing. The most important day was when Hemant decided to fill up the Google form. Okay, I will participate in this quiz. Naito, he would have missed it. And then he could not have known that I can be in the top 3. And then the confidence that will come, whatever prize money is there is a prize money, okay, before I forget. But there is a prize money, there's a reward, but everything else forgotten. What he has now become cannot be taken away from him. Now a change happens. Every time you win, you become more confident, and then you start hitting it stronger. That is what is, I've written it in one of my books also. I call it as smell of victory. Once you smell victory, you start working harder. Okay, so let's hear it from the student who has come third, and then we can have a group photo with all the winners. So let's see if we have the third. The student who has come third is would be Dr. Tessie Vandhan from Madurai Medical College. Are you there? Just let us know. I think I think she's not there.
No, sir is not there.
Okay, maybe she missed out on the live session. But if there is any friend of ours, and I think I request Sakshi and Sonal also to do let her know on WhatsApp personally that she is come third in this quiz.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And
sir, actually, the students are saying that you should reveal the score as well.
So, Kanika, do you have the scores? Can you announce it? Because I also see a lot of students are asking for the scores.
Actually, rank 1 is having a score of 28 marks.
Congratulations.
Rank 2 is having a score of 26 marks. With actually, he has done earlier, so we have announced him rank 2. And rank 3 is also having a score of 26 marks.
Okay. So 26. So I hope most of you who were asking the scores. I know the reason why people are asking scores. Scores is we always want to know the score because we want to know how far we are from the winners and what was our gap and how much we need to work harder to beat them in the next quiz. So that is why when you will gradually start giving tests on the DAMS eMedicos platform, you will find in our test we have a result given in a format called as leaderboard, which is a unique DAMS way of giving the result. We call it as DAMS leaderboard, in which top 100 students are given, displayed as names. 1 to 3 are displayed with their pictures, and top 100 are displayed with their names. So when you see your name out of thousands of students who are appearing for a test, when you see your name in the leaderboard, again you have the same phenomena happening to you, that I can do it. It is possible for me to improve. Because I'm already in top 100, you see your name, you get more confident, and you start working harder. The cycle of working hard is that most people think that once they will, once they will not do well, then they will start working hard. But actual life, it is not like this. Actual life, we need tiny victories to boost our confidence so that we can have some faith in our own self that, okay, I can do it. Then you improve and then you work harder. This is how we go about things. And I also wanted to take this opportunity to tell the prizes that we are giving to the winners. Let me announce them and just correct me if there is something added here. So the student who has won our quiz gets 2,000 rupees cash prize and 100% discount on a DAMS online course on eMedicos app. Second winner gets 1,000 rupees cash prize, and third winner gets a 500 rupee cash prize, and similarly they get the 50 and 25% discount on the eMedicos app. To take the discount on the course, you need to contact with Sakshi, Sonal and Kanika. They will help you to take your prizes.
Yes, sir.
And anything you want to add or ask us today when you are here? I see a lot of you are here in the chat box. Anything that you wanted to ask other than the results, other than the mindset, anything you want me to address here? I'll be very happy to talk about it.
Thank you so much, sir. Can you? Students are asking about next quiz कब होगा, sir?
Bilkul. We have an annual quiz by DAMS called as Grey Matter, which happens in August every year. So usually in July, we take out the preliminary round, and then in August and September, we plan out the final rounds. Usually the final round of Grey Matter is done in Delhi face-to-face in our auditorium with all the audience. This time we are not sure about the COVID situation, but the cases are improving. We may have a face-to-face quiz, or if it is not possible for students to travel, then we will have an online quiz in Grey Matter. And I want to tell all the listeners who are today in the quiz that Grey Matter, the winner takes home 50,000 rupees. It's a 50,000 rupees quiz. So, but it has rounds. You have to get one round, then you have to compete in a physical round to actually take the 50,000 rupees. So, and another interesting point of Grey Matter is every year the person who has won Grey Matter quiz in his third year has later on gone to top the AIMS exam 2 years later. So Grey Matter, I think, has given us out of the 9 seasons of Grey Matter, we have 6 AIMS rank ones who have actually won in Grey Matter, and then they went on to win, get into the AIMS and get into rank 1 in AIMS also. So it is very prestigious quiz. It is coming up. Please keep a lookout for the notifications that we share on our DAMS Daily Facebook page and Instagram page. Don't miss out on that. Another thing I wanted to add here is that I can see, okay, so I can see some of you are asking, what about first year students? What is the syllabus for Grey Matter? So Grey Matter is a quiz which is usually has all the clinical rounds. So third year onwards can participate for it, third year onwards. Okay. Now, what we will do here is I want you to know a few tips for first year students and second year students, which I think are the majority in the audience. Okay, so for the first year students, I want you to know one thing, that both of you are now a part of a new curriculum by NMC, competency-based medical education curriculum, which requires you to learn the clinical importance of everything. And what we have seen in DAMS is that in India, the entire of the medical colleges are having a non-uniform level of teaching, especially with the new pattern, because even the faculty members are still learning what is to be done and what is not to be done. So at DAMS, we have now started total integrated teaching. What is happening is, for first year and second years, we have now come up with tuition programs which are live teaching on eMedicos app. These are the courses which are running on the app live, where you can have a two-way interactive class every day, and later on you get a recorded session to review later on also. Both these courses are available on the app, first year tuition, second year tuition, which cover the new curriculum. And second, what we do is from third year onwards, and this is very interesting, from third year and fourth year onwards, now DAMS is launching a new curriculum which is called as the integrated course or integrated regular course, available on app as well as face-to-face, where we are now converting the teaching from subject-wise teaching to system-wise teaching. So by the time you come to clinical teaching with us, we will be teaching you systems. Like you will have a class on cardiology, followed by cardiac anatomy, cardiac physiology, cardiac pathology, and we will connect everything together. So we are doing a lot of innovation in this space, and we are very excited about the new things, and we were very happy to help you any way possible. Download the eMedicos app and you will find the preliminary round of Grey Matter would also be conducted on the eMedicos app. So downloading this app is a good idea. You have a lot of free video content, a lot of free interactive wall session where daily quizzes are uploaded on the eMedicos in the feed section, where a daily leaderboard is established. So I would recommend that we start getting on with it and we start competing against each other. And I look forward to seeing you on the DAMS leaderboard. Let me know if you're on the leaderboard by making it as an Insta story. Connect to us. We wish you all the best. I have a student who is asking me a question for foreign medical graduates and for final year students. So I'm taking that query here so that so for foreign medical graduate students, I want you to know that in India, the curriculum has changed. And so the curriculum for your exit exam will also change. That means you in December, you are going to have a MCI screening exam or the FMG exam this year. But you know by now, and I'm sure you know it, that after that it is going to be changed to next. And next will be for both Indian and foreign medical graduates. But for foreign medical graduates, right now, the government is thinking of keeping a limit of 2 years. So what they are saying is for Indian medical graduate, they are not keeping any limit, but for foreign medical graduate or foreign qualified doctors, they will have a 2-year window to pass the exam. So my suggestion and my request to you is please take your study seriously, because the window is shorter and you have to, you cannot do it like the past. Like in the past, some of the students were thinking that when they will come back to India, then 3 months they will do a crash course and study. Now you have to start studying early. So what we have done is now we recommend to foreign medical graduates also the same courses that we recommend to our Indian medical graduates. First year tuitions on eMedicos app, second year tuitions, and integrated live regular course, because you have to prepare at the same level, because the exam is going to be common. And probably it is one of the thought process that the government has, that foreign medical graduates may have an extra exam also to be given. So that is what I wanted, Raju, who was asked this question, to know, so that you have a right perspective in mind. Okay. And I have one question that has been asked by one bacha of 4th year. So again, for 4th year students, we need to know that once the next is announced, it will happen after final year. So next will happen before internship, part 1, part 2 after internship. So final year is a very critical year. Do not think that my senior was studying in internship, so I will also study in internship. No, you need to study all 19 subjects in final year in an integrated manner. And integrated regular course that we have started now is an ideal course for you, because after final year, you might be appearing for next, because the government is looking at election in 2024. So for any government who has an election in 2024, they want to at least implement whatever they have thought of, whatever they have envisioned. So they need 2 years to implement next, to do part 1 and part 2. So we all are in a belief that in 2022 we might be having next exam. So it is very important to keep that in mind and keep that perspective when you're preparing for your exams. And another thing I want all of you to notice, and before we wind off the session, is that next will be a clinical predominant paper. Just like in the quiz, we gave you clinical vignettes. So next we'll have a lot of clinical vignettes and horizontally and vertically integrated papers. So the question papers will have a lot of integration. That means you have anatomy linked to surgery in a question, or pathology linked to medicine in a question. This is the pattern that the government is now envisioning, and that is the pattern world over. And that is why in our own teaching, in our own DAMS regular course, we run an integrated curriculum. We do system-wise teaching, which is starting July this year. Entire of the DAMS system is now shifting from subject-wise to system-wise teaching. And yes, one-liners, Raju, I can see one-liners are there in the NEET, in the MCI screening or the FMG exam right now. They were there in this June 2021 FMG exam also. But in the future, we are postulating that one-liners will stop being asked, because the government also is saying, NMC has also said that they will keep questions which are more analytical and comprehension based rather than memory or rote learning based. Okay. And I see a question by Amrit Prakash, who has asked, okay, sir, is it beneficial to join TND in 4th year? Definitely it is beneficial, but provided that you have done classes before. So Amrit, try to understand. If you have done our pre-foundation, foundation, then in final year you can go for TND. But if you have not done classes so far, then in final year you should go for a integrated regular course and complete the classes, because you should be well prepared for the exam at the end of final year. Okay. And main subjects to be focused for next are medicine, surgery, obs and gynae, ENT, ophthalm, and pediatrics. So these are the most important subjects which are clinical. And because Raju has asked this question, so Raju, you're FMG. So tell me, where are you studying? Keep in mind, for foreign medical graduate, even basic sciences, so far they are postulating that basic sciences separate paper will be taken. For Indian medical graduate, all will be integrated. So this is the change that is right now there, but there could be changes by the government before they finally implement it. Okay. PSM is also very important. Even I forgot PSM also I wanted to mention. PSM, clinical subjects in PSM, like the third, fourth year subjects are very, very important, and first, second year are important from integration point of view. Because if you know the basics, then only you are able to correlate. That is why what we are now, if you look at the DAMS, how DAMS has evolved will give you an idea. Now we have a separate course for first year, separate course for second year, but for third year, fourth year onwards, from July onwards, now we are postulating that they should join the integrated regular course where we will be doing a lot of integrated teaching. That is how we are changing the methodology in our own teaching curriculum also. Okay. So on this note, I think we have taken most of the queries, and it was my pleasure to connect to all of you. I wish you all the best. Again, I'll repeat one thing. कोई हारा नहीं, कोई जीता नहीं, सब सीखे. No winning, losing, only learning. That is the spirit. That is the growth mindset. एक बार वो बना लिया तो कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा. जिंदगी में आगे ही आगे बढ़ोगे. Best of luck. God bless you all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We are so pleased to having you in a Zoom meeting.
Thank you, sir.